Veolia's purpose is to contribute to human progress by firmly committing to the Sustainable Development Goals.
Contributing to human progress by facilitating access to resources, innovating to preserve and recycle resources, working to support a collective project, resourcing the world for future generations. Veolia's purpose is rooted in the convictions that have inspired it for the past 167 years.
At the beginning, there was water, and the idea that everybody should have access to it. From Lima in Peru to Nîmes in France, via Wellington in New Zealand, major cities worldwide are turning to more reliable solutions for providing their residents with drinking water and treating their wastewater.
Sewage treatment technologies perfected by Veolia to bring water and sanitation to cities can also provide water to the countryside. The creation of nutrient loops with Norwegian specialist Yara shows how agricultural production can be supported using circular economy principles.
2019 marked a turning point in polymer reprocessing. Veolia and around 30 other major corporations formed an alliance that committed to providing $1.5 billion to put an end to the use of plastic packaging that our planet can no longer absorb. On the ground, Veolia enters into partnerships that embody a genuine paradigm shift in China with a consortium of 6 industrial companies, including Huafei, in Indonesia with Danone, worldwide with Nestlé. Veolia is investing to increase production of high-quality recycled plastics. In South Korea for industrial-scale granulation and formulation. In the United Kingdom to ensure plastics that meet food quality standards.
Recycling solid waste, not just plastics, depends on effective sorting. Faced with the complexity of the task, the teams at Veolia are turning to smart solutions. Automation and digital technologies enable 3 waste recovery units to treat all forms of household waste collected in Bordeaux and to separate out all recyclable solid materials.
Veolia has a technology-intensive response when pollution is no longer simply a question of volume, but also involves hazardous materials. In Gujarat, India, Veolia depollutes, treats, and recycles chemical and pharmaceutical products on an industrial scale. Durban, South Africa, can also rely on a long-term solution for managing the largest hazardous waste landfill site in southern Africa.
Humanity's demand for energy is exhausting fossil fuel resources and accelerating the rate of climate change. In 2019, Veolia's energy efficiency performance can be seen at work all around the world, such as at Coca-Cola FEMSA in Colombia, where trigeneration is helping food industry giants to cut their energy use by over 10%. Municipalities, too, are looking for ways to safeguard their financial interests as well as protect the environment. Complete energy networks are optimized, such as Braunschweig, Germany. In the New York suburbs, the largest private real estate project in the USA is a microgrid pioneer. In Slovakia, local loops of energy operated by Veolia provide heating and cooling to all occupiers at the Levice Industrial Park.
On every continent, buildings benefit from improved energy efficiency and occupiers enjoy a better quality of life. Hong Kong is transforming itself with help from Veolia, with a 70% reduction in CO2 emissions by 2030. In 2019, Veolia launched new services focused on indoor air quality, a major health advance for housing, offices, public facilities, and public transport. Le Raincy became the first town in France to guarantee 100% clean air in schools.
To cut their environmental footprint, industrial companies rely on Veolia's global expertise to design a new generation of factories, such as Danone's new infant food plant in the Netherlands. Custom services are put in place to guarantee the reliability of process utility services such as air, steam, and water. In Ghana, 6 installations oversee the quality of water and effluent treatment from the AngloGold Ashanti gold mine at Obuasi. In Oman, the team from Veolia responsible for the water treatment plant at BP's Kazan gas project in the heart of the desert is 80% Omani.
These successes, among the highlights of 2019, are worth even more when they are shared. Customers, shareholders, employees, suppliers, current populations, or future generations, Veolia's prosperity is founded upon its usefulness to all its stakeholders.